Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the Basket Weave Stitch pattern. I love how this ends up looking like it's weaved, even though it's crocheted. So to get started, you're going to need to know how to do a half treble crochet and a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. Now that you have your chains, we're going to start off by chaining 2, and then in the third chain from the hook, you're going to work your first half treble crochet, followed by treble crocheted in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. All right, now we're going to turn our work, and the repeat pattern for this is going to be rows 2 through 5. So to get started for row 2, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to work our first treble crochet in the first stitch. No matter which row you're on, you will always start with a treble crochet in the first stitch and end with a treble crochet in the last stitch. So the repeat for this row is going to start off by being 2 back post treble crochets, followed by 2 front post treble crochets, next we'll work 2 back post treble crochets and 2 front post treble crochets. And then we will finish off row 2 with working a treble crochet in the last stitch. So we're going to turn our work, and we are going to start on row 3, which row 3 is actually identical to row 2. So we're going to start off again by chaining 2 and working that treble crochet in the first stitch. Next, we're going to work 2 back post treble crochets, followed by 2 front post treble crochets, and that is the repeat for this row. So again, let's see that again. It's 2 back post treble crochets, followed by 2 front post treble crochets, and then finishing off the row with a treble crochet in the last stitch. You start seeing that weave pattern going on. So let's start making it look like a basket weave. So we're going to start off again by chaining 2 and treble crocheting in the first stitch. Now for this row, we are actually going to start off by doing 2 front post treble crochets, followed by 2 back post treble crochets. And that is the repeat for row 4. So again, let's see that. It's 2 front post treble crochets, followed by 2 back post treble crochets, and finishing off by working a treble crochet in the last stitch. So the last part of the repeat for rows 2 through 5 is we're going to start row 5, which row 5 is exactly like row 4, where you start off by chaining 2 and working a treble crochet into the first stitch, followed by working 2 front post treble crochets, and then working 2 back post treble crochets. Again, that's 2 front post treble crochets and 2 back post treble crochets. And then finishing off the row with a treble crochet in the last stitch. And there you have it. That is how you do the basket weave stitch pattern. As it goes, it starts looking very amazing. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.